Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you to log in into Walmart One account. If you're new to our channel, subscribe our channel and tap bell icon so that you won't miss any upcoming videos of our channel. Now, in order to log in, open any web browser on your PC. Type in One Walmart on your search bar and tap enter on your keyboard. Then again tap on first link or the official link of One Walmart. After that you will direct it to its official website. Now tap on login button on the top right corner of the page. It will take you to another page with login box at the center of the page. Here type your user ID provided by the company. Choose the country you are living in and choose your store location. If you choose store club, you have to enter your store or club number. After filling all the boxes with correct details, tap on sign in button. Then you will be logged in into your account. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Click on bell icon so that you won't miss any upcoming videos of our channel. I will be back with more videos. Keep watching.